But since you're here, let me show you how to do yours. So, first what we need to do is get all our laundry from our basket and separate them by colors. One pile for all the white clothes, one for all the dark colored ones like dark blue, black, and gray and brown, and another one for all the light color and colorful ones like yellow, green, or blue. After that, what we do is we get one pile of the clothes and bring it over to the washing machine. So, the washing machine and the dryer can be confusing, so ask an adult which one is which. What we do after that is we get our clothes and we put them inside the washing machine one by one so they don't fall on the floor. Just a handful at a time. Don't take too much. After that, what we do is we get our soap and we pour it into a cup. Just a cup of soap is enough. And then we pour it around all the clothes. Try to mix it around so it doesn't stay in one spot. After that, what we do is we get our fabric softener and we pour a cup of that. Oh, I put a little too much. Let me put some back. Uh-oh. And we pour it all around that. Next, after that, we close it, turn on our washing machine, ask an adult how to turn on yours, and we start to wash it. Now, when the machine starts, it should start making noises, and that's when you know you're done. That's how you wash your clothes. Make sure you watch the next video on how to dry your clothes and how to fold them. That's all for the video. Thank you.